few steps from Piazza delle Erbe, along the ancient route of the Cardo Maximus, now Via Cappello, you will see a brick building of the 13th century that legend indicates as the house of Juliet and the Capulets, and that is confirmed by the family coat of arms on the arched doorway. After the Arena, this is the second most visited monument of the city by those who want to see for themselves where William Shakespeare, the celebrated English poet, set his famous play Romeo and Juliet. In the courtyard there is the statue of Juliet by Veronese sculptor Nereo Costantino. Here tourists in search of better luck in love playfully touch her right breast. The house was built in the Middle Ages and accurately restored in the 1930s in an attempt to recreate a perfect setting for the story of the two star-crossed lovers. The famous balcony in red stone was also added during this restoration. This is the most admired feature of the house because it was here that Romeo had to climb up to meet his beloved Juliet. Inside, the house exhibits artworks dedicated to the two young lovers in medieval frescoed rooms, which have been renovated and given more modern touches. However, the most curious thing about this monument is the entrance wall to the courtyard. This is completely covered with hundreds and hundreds of pieces of chewing gum, which people who come to visit the house stick there, and as a result has become an absolutely distinctive and famous ritual which is known all over the world. Verona, thanks to this famous Shakespearean setting, has become the city of lovers par excellence, and thus, in particular, Juliet's house, for those who love one another and for all those who are still in search of true love, clearly unadmissible.